Hey guys, it's Christine. Thanks for visiting my channel. If you haven't had a chance yet, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I plan to post more gardening videos like this in the near future. I wanted to give you a quick tour today of my seedlings that I've started indoors. My husband and I bought some shelving units about 2 months ago and put those together in the basement. And then we also installed some light fixtures that I ordered from Gardener Supply. They're the LED Sunlite High Intensity Fixtures. You can see here I started several different types of tomatoes. It was really only my intention to have about two different seedling starts of each variety. I think I ended up with about 15 different varieties of tomatoes, which I went a little crazy on the seed ordering, but I was so excited. This is my first year starting the seedlings indoors, so I wanted to do a lot of trial and error. So I'm sure I'll end up sharing a lot of extra seedlings with my family and friends. You're welcome. So anyway, I've got several different types of varieties here. I've got several cherry varieties as well as larger varieties of tomatoes. So it will be a fun experiment this year. This next tray here that we're going to move to are a couple of trays of straw flowers that I wanted to try out. I just thought it would be fun to mix in some flowers into my raised vegetable garden beds and thought it might help with some of the pollination too. So I'm going to give these straw flowers a try here, and hopefully I'll have some good results and can have some cut flowers as well. I used a bag of the ProMix soil to start these, and you can see that they're doing really well. These trays down here, I actually used a different type of soil. It's the Burpee seed starting mix. To be honest, I'm not as impressed as I am with the ProMix, how these seedlings are doing, but these were the first trays that I did, and had that Burpee mix, so thought I'd give it a try. Maybe that's how these seedlings should look. I'm not really sure, but to me they look much thinner and leggier compared to the straw flowers and the tomatoes that you saw that are in the ProMix. But anyway, in these trays, I've got some eggplants, I've got celery, I have a couple of jalapenos in here, as well as a tray of lavender that I'm hoping to plant into the landscape. Down here, you can see these are my pepper plants, which I'm very excited about. These pepper plants are doing amazing. I actually put 2 seeds in each cell. These are 3.5 inch size little containers, and I had no idea, but it looks like I think every seedling emerged, and I think I've got 2 plants in every cell. They're doing really good. Again, these are in the ProMix soil. And here I have a tray of I think 4 or 5 different varieties of onions, and I'm looking forward to getting these out. Of course, I'll be splitting these and spacing them out more in the actual garden once I get them out there. I've heard kind of mixed reviews if you should start the seeds indoors or outdoors with onions, but thought I'd give them a try indoors and see how they do. I've got a few more seeds here that I got started a little later. I think I've got some cauliflower and more tomato varieties. And then towards the end of our shelf, I've got some zinnias that I started, as well as some gomphrena. So I just got those started. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick tour, and I'm really looking forward to getting these out into the garden beds very soon. soon. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.